Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to easily create a copper golem in Minecraft. These charming little automatons are a fantastic addition to your world, bringing a unique interactive element. We'll cover everything from gathering the few simple materials you need, like 4 copper blocks and 1 carved pumpkin, to the quick assembly process. Get ready to add a new, button-pressing friend to your base. First, let's gather what you'll need. You'll want to mine some copper ore, then smelt it into ingots. 4 copper blocks are made from 36 copper ingots at a crafting table. Next, you'll need a carved pumpkin. You can find pumpkins growing naturally, then use a pair of shears to carve a face into one. That's all for the materials. Now for the fun part, assembly. It's very similar to building an iron golem. Start by placing 2 copper blocks vertically, one on top of the other to form the body. Then, place 1 copper block on each side of the top body block, creating a T-shape for the arms. Finally, place your carved pumpkin on top of the central body block. Voila! Your copper golem will instantly spring to life. Your new copper golem is ready to explore. These little guys love to wander and will randomly press any copper buttons they encounter, making them perfect for automated contraptions. Keep in mind they will oxidize over time, just like copper blocks, changing their color. If you want to preserve their current look, simply use a honeycomb to wax them. You can also use an axe to scrape off oxidation layers. Enjoy your new companion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.